This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976, and thepodcastingstore.com, the one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning. This is your weekend update. So first, happy Valentine's Day. And thanks for taking the time to watch the weekend update. So this past week, we had information about the Jupiter KHS band instrument tryout kits. I know band tryout season's happening right now. So if you need those, we've got them in stock at Boomer Music, and we've got special educator pricing on them. So contact us if you're trying to do some in-person tryouts. Those in conjunction with the instrument exploration videos that we did in the spring should really help get beginners excited for joining the band. Then we released the History of Swing session that Kevin Bollinger did at CMEA. So that's up on the Boomer YouTube page. Thursday, we released the remote meeting setup video that I did using the Peak desktop stand. So some suggestions on how to make your remote meetings look a little more natural, a little bit better. And then on Friday, we released the information about the instrument drive. That's happening again this year. So if you know anyone that has any instruments that are gathering dust that's not being used and could really benefit a kid, it's a great cause, and we're proud to be a drop-off point partner with the instrument drive people, bringing music to life. And this coming week, we're going to be doing a video. Ward found a great headset that can incorporate a lavalier mic. So that's relevant for those of you who have the R0DE Wireless GO and are using that with a lav, or even the Galaxy GTV. You can then put that in a headset, and that's going to be great for when you're teaching in an auditorium or something like that, as I know a lot of you are, as well as those of you who are judges for marching band and things like that. So that's going to be a pretty informative one as well. And speaking of the R0DE Wireless GO, up until the 26th, if you register for our e-newsletter, you'll be entered to win one. So don't delay on that and spread the word to anyone who hasn't yet and would get some benefit from it. So thank you so much for your continued support and listening, and look forward to seeing you at the store. If you enjoyed the weekend update, do me a favor and follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channels, or visit our websites. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company and thepodcastingstore.com. Thanks for listening.